You ever look out at a calm lake at sunrise and just wish you had a small boat to call your own? I used to think owning a boat was way out of reach. But what if I told you that for just $1,000, you could be out on the water sooner than you think, especially if you shop right now, in the fall? Here's the deal. I'm going to show you how to score a reliable small fishing or pleasure boat without breaking the bank. I'll tell you why fall is hands down the best time to buy, where to look for the best deals, and exactly what to check so you don't waste time or money. Stick with me till the end. I've got some real-world tips you can use today. So why is fall such a sweet spot for boat buying? Simple. A lot of folks don't want to mess with storing a boat over winter. They want it out of their driveway before the snow flies, so they drop prices, sometimes way lower than they would in the spring. That's your chance to swoop in and negotiate. Now, where are these deals hiding? I always start with Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. But don't forget boating forums, local marina bulletin boards, or even old-school yard sales. Some of the best boats never even make it online. They get snatched up local. So, check often and move fast when you find something that looks good. At the $1,000 mark, you'll usually find older aluminum fishing boats or maybe a little fiberglass runabout. Here's what matters. Look for a solid hull, no big cracks or soft spots, and a trailer that won't fall apart on the way home. Engines are great if they run, but don't sweat it if they don't. Sometimes you can get a killer deal on a boat without a motor, then add one later. Trust me, the boat itself is the hardest part to find. Want to save even more? Cash talks at this price point. Bring the money, be polite, and be ready to tow it home that day. Sellers respect serious buyers. And don't be scared off by a boat that needs a little cleaning. A few weekends with a scrub brush and some elbow grease, and you could have your own weekend escape for pennies on the dollar. Now let me tell you, my first boat cost just under $1,000. Was it perfect? Nope. But after a little TLC, it got me and my buddies out on the lake all summer. That's when I realized boating doesn't have to be fancy to be fun. So if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. Fall's your window to grab an affordable fishing or pleasure boat. Do your homework, act fast, and you might be on the water by next weekend. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and join the family. I've got plenty more ways to help you live your best life, on and off the water.